Hello, good morning, good morning. It's already 4 plus 4 a.m. here in Baghdad. It's raining pa rin. The weather is not good. Kaya si Cecil school still continue from night yata. I didn't notice night. Oh, now until now it's raining. Raining more to Baghdad. Kaya be safe to all Baghdad people. Kung mag-work kayo, nako, be safe. Be careful in driving. Because the weather is still not good. Ayan. Continue more. I-off ko yung light dito kasi baka magano sa kuryente. Dito tayo, ayan o. Raining pa rin siya. Tingnan-check ko dito kung hindi siya. Kaya ayan. Baka ayan. Sabagay hindi naman umano yung tubig. Ayan o. Ayan o. Malakas-lakas na yung ulan. Ayan. Ayan ulan. Sumunod-sunod na yung ulan dito. The weather today is raining. Kaya ganun. Keep safe. People in Baghdad, I don't know sa Iraq or the another city. It's raining. Kaya laging ingat kayo, ingat mo talaga. Kasi ayun, lalo na if you are driving, like in the sky, ayun, kaya be careful, ingat to all nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries. If the weather, your weather is not good, it's windy or very soon, sunny, and what's that, winter, snowing. Kaya be careful, keep safe talaga. Because we have a different weather in the different countries. I wake up early because I think that the weather is good, so to prepare for the school Usilin, but I sent the message of Madam Answer that no class daw. It's holiday for the government, for the children's schools because of the weather is not so good. And it's still winter pa here in Baghdad. In Iraq, I think in the whole cities of Iraq, it's still winter. Kaya ganun. Check ko na another document, the small documents. Okay. I-open ko to kasi baka mamaya umaano yung rain ulan. Dito kasi sa gilid siya umaano, lumalabas. Hindi ko inside the rain. Okay. Pumapasok na kasi dito. Meron pa naman akong mga mga ni amo. Ayan. Okay. Punta naman dito. It's still raining. Pumapasok yung mga doon sa loob. Kasi may siya kasi ulan pa. Ayan o. Maano doon pa. Kaya yung laundry ko, pinasok ko may laundry. Kasi nakapajama pa ako. Kasi it's early in the morning. It's cold, wala pa akong jacket. It's cold. Wala pa akong jacket. Kaya, hello, good morning Nationwide, good morning Baghdad, good morning Iraq, it's tutor na, it's tutor time. Good morning, good day to all nationwide and worldwide, to the different countries. Keep safe. Thank you for giving me more blessings, more helping for my hours. Thank you so much talaga. And it's still continue. Cellphone, makipag-ride on ka naman din. Huwag kang ma-stop. Para makakontinue live ako. Everyday I can continue make live. Oh, look yung weather. It's windy. Oh, the weather. Tingnan yung weather. Okay. Weather not so good. Keep safe lagi. Keep safe. Good hiding. Thank you again. Thank you to some vloggers that you are still connected in my channel from the beginning, from his 1 subscriber I have until now. Thank you so much for helping talaga. Thank you to giving me more support in my hours. Thank you so much, and you know who you are, where are you, or whatever you do, whatever we are. Magkalisod-lisod. I cannot talk well na because I'm in the balcony. I make feel cold na. I'm here in the balcony. Just make a video. Okay, so thank you very much. And to the all mga subscriber, mga viewers, thank you for watching, mga supporters. Thank you talaga. That you are very helpful and grateful for everything that we have, what we are. Okay, to the all nationwide and worldwide. Kasi nga, because of you, to all of you, that I have still updated of my channel. I'm not yet a legit YouTuber, but I'm still doing the best. Go to be a legit YouTuber someday or somehow, and God knows everything. To bless me, to those people that always to support and to help in my channel, and you know them who you are. Wherever you are in the different countries na hindi, you are not knowing see ano ba yun? I'm looking something kasi kaya I cannot speak directly. We didn't yet see in personal, at least that you are still open arms to help in my channel. Thank you to become a YouTuber legit. Thank you so much talaga. Thank you. And God bless us all, more blessings at all, more powers at all. Thank you so much talaga. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. At saka sa buong mundo, sa buong isla ng hometown ko, Dinagat Island, sa Siargao, sa Surigao City, sa Surigao del Norte, part of Mindanao, and to all may angkan that you will stay in the another countries to with your work and with your family. Thank you that you are part of my journey as a OFW working in this country. Thank you so much. Thank you so much talaga. God bless us all. And God provide everything, whatever we want and whatever we do. And He knows everything in our daily routine in our life. So thank you and thank you so much talaga. Sa angkan, both side ni nanay ni tatay, angkan to angkan. Some of them that they are also still supported in my channel. They are subscribed already, and I wish some of my angkan and relatives both side of my nanay and tatay, if you are watching in the social media, in the YouTube, I wish that you subscribe also, likes and comments. Thank you very much talaga. And God will protect everything, whatever happened in the different countries. Thank you so much. And God bless us all, more blessings at all. And just pray, everything will be okay. Because God knows only to our individual life while we are living in this earth. Thank you so much talaga. I cannot mention you. I cannot speak good. I can't mention one of you, all of you, individual of you. Even to my angkan I can't na because it's too much more. So I just make generalize na. Okay, so thank you very much, and thank you, and more blessings at all. And papasok na ako kasi malamig na. Look, they are walking na. It's very early. They are walking. Okay. I say bye. Thank you so much. We love at all. Thank you mga host. Thank you mga host. More mga host. Thank you. I do inside na kasi dahil malamig na.